Hi all, my name is Robert Lucci. You can refer to me as Mr. Lucci throughout the semester. I will be your instructor for English 394 business writing. A little bit about myself. I've been a lecturer here at the University of Maryland for the past few years. I did my MA here as well. I did my undergrad at the University of North Carolina in Chapel Hill. While at Chapel Hill and here at the University of Maryland, I've specialized in African American literature. Um, Currently, I am teaching academic writing, 101. Some of you have had me for 101. Um, Business writing, and also starting this semester, I will be teaching writing for the sciences. Um, so what I'm going to do here is just walk you through the ELMS page, let you know what's to be expected, and we'll get going. So let's see here. So the home page just takes you to a quick course overview, some policies and procedures, my contact information, which you can find here as well. As I said in the email that I sent out earlier, I am going to set up some kind of office hours. I may even go into the go into my office occasionally, but what I'm thinking about doing is setting up a Google Chat. Maybe we could do it public and private, see how that goes. If any of you have any suggestions as far as that goes, but just shoot me an email. Let me know what you think. We will be working in Google Docs, and doing some collaborative online work as well. So it's best that you familiarize yourself with that. I'm sure that you are, though. All right, so let's see. Let me switch this to the student view so you can see so it'll look like your page. All right, so you should have already received the welcome, the brief welcome email, announcement, and my email. There are some assignments that are due this Wednesday, as the announcement said. There's assignments that are due every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if we come here to the announcements page, all that you're going to see right now is just this the welcome announcement. I I think I have them going out every Monday. I know that I have one that I obviously sent out yesterday. I mean today, and then Monday, and then Tuesday again because the week's a little bit off here, starting with the holiday. So to make sure that you check into the announcements page every week to see what is due and what you are responsible for. If you click on modules, modules will take you through basically the entire semester, and these are all of the major assignments that we will have. But like I said, if you just log into announcements, it'll walk you through all of this, and you don't even really have to worry too much about that. The syllabus is everything is here. All of your assignments are here. What is to be expected of you? All of the weighting is on this page as well. If you click on the assignments, they walk you through all of the major and secondary assignments that we have throughout the semester. But like I said, it's much better organized in announcements. Grades are here. Grades are here as well. Pretty much that's it. Like I said in the email, this is an asynchronous class. I don't know if any of you are familiar with if you've taken an asynchronous online class or not. We don't meet at any set time. This course is designed so that you can be traveling or or be reach back at home for the summer months, so that you don't have to be in front. You can be in any time zone, and you don't have to be in front of the computer at any set time. But you are responsible to get these assignments in on time. That being said, you will be collaborating with your classmates. The very first assignment is for you to introduce yourself and interact with one another a bit. And I will facilitate this in a number of different ways, and you'll see how that goes throughout the semester. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to say hi, let you see it, introduce you to myself, see who I am, put a face to the emails and the announcements. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. Like I said, I'll figure out something with office hours here. But I'm always available via email. I'm probably going to set a time every week, or like on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, where I will be available to answer emails and hopefully get back to you right away. That way, if you shoot me something at that time, I can respond rather quickly. If you haven't yet, if you receive the email, make sure that you reply to me so that I know that you're on the listserv. And besides that, I think that's it. I'm really looking forward to this semester. This is the first time I'm teaching in the class. I've taught online classes for 101, but this is the first time I'm teaching business writing online. First time I'm teaching over the summer, so I'm really looking forward to it. I think that you'll enjoy it. And like I said, any questions, just reach out to me. Thank you very much. We'll be talking.